It's a freestyle, nigga. I don't write shit down out the motherfucking head, nigga. Been a long time since a street nigga been trapping. Came straight from the bottom, now I'm rapping. Got them off in the pot and they flipping. Watch yourself, homeboy, you come up missing. In the hood selling cocaine. Nigga want some dope, come and holler, man. Got a straight drop in the pot, man. Take it out and I put it on the plate, man. I'ma get it to the block. If the motherfucker don't, be a fucking drop. And you know it ain't no drought. Cause I'm always on the highway, 30 getting it my way. Up there and here, and up that side. Nigga talking bullshit, bout to get hit with a 30 clip, and I keep it full clip. Nigga talking shit, just running fucking lip. I'm street with it, I'ma crack at it. When it come to money, yeah, I go crazy at it. I'ma keep it jumping like MJ. Number 23, back with a fadeaway. In the pot going whipping. Put $1 million on the scale, and I call that bitch a skillet. How you hating cause I'm getting it? Put this cigarette in my mouth, damn right I'm hitting it. About to smoke me some gas. Turn up on your ass. What the fuck you talking about? What the fuck?